Get away from me, I'm so close to the wharf.
Come back here, James. You can't escape from me forever. You think you're so fast, but no, I will never let you get to the wharf.
Yes, I will. I know your weakness. And you won't stop me from getting to it. You can be defeated. I hope Percy is okay. He is with Pibby. I'm only at least 4 miles from the wharf. I can feel it. Come on, wheels, we can do it. I know you think you will get me, but you won't. I'm way too fast for the likes of you.
That's what you think, James, but he beat you in a race to the wharf. You're not fast at all. You're not splendid. You're a small, tender engine who is only good for goods trains. So stop running and join me in the dark side.
No, I won't. You're not fast enough to catch me. And I will get to stop you, so shut up. Why do you think taking trains and turning them dark will help you? It won't. Oh no, wait, it's coming from the other direction. What do I do? No, this can't be it. I'm sorry, Percy.
That's another down now. I can go find Percy, and I will send James after Edward now, Thomas, to Percy.